Welcome to the best picks. The best fuse beads iron is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious fuse bead artist, ensuring perfectly melted and vibrant creations. This video will dive deep into the world of fuse bead irons, exploring various models, features, and tips to help you choose the perfect iron for your crafting needs, whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro looking to upgrade your equipment. We'll cover everything from temperature control and ironing surface to ease of use and overall value, so you can confidently select the best iron to bring your bead designs to life. Number 5. HNW Fuse Bead Iron Paper, WA16D1. Say hello to our new and improved iron paper. It's designed to make fusing beads easier and more efficient than ever before. Unlike ordinary iron paper, this is made from durable, transparent plastic sheets. You can clearly see your beads as they melt. It's built to last. These sheets are more resistant to wear and tear than traditional paper. Watch your beads fuse perfectly every time. The transparency allows for precise ironing and better results. Each pack comes with 20 sheets, giving you plenty for all your beading projects. Get yours today. Ironing your beads has never been easier. It provides a smooth, even surface for perfect results. What we like? If you need to see the beads while ironing, this is perfect for you. Its transparent design allows for precise melting. Because it's durable and reusable, you'll save money in the long run. What people say? This is so easy to use and no tearing like the paper ones. I was shocked how shiny these made my perler bead creations. It gives a glossy look to the perlers. Stands up well to heat. Number 4. Fontien 2200 PCS Fuse Beads Kit. This kit provides hours of fun and creative expression. It's perfect for sparking imagination and developing fine motor skills. You'll receive 2,200 colorful beads, a pegboard, tweezers, ironing paper, instructions, and a storage box. Everything you need to get started. Made with non-toxic materials, it's safe for kids. The fluorescent colors add an extra element of fun, especially at night. The beads are the perfect size for little hands. Tweezers are included for extra precision, but kids can easily place them on the board by hand. An instruction booklet provides patterns to follow, but the real fun is letting your imagination run wild and creating your own designs. It makes a wonderful gift for kids aged 6 and up. It's a great way to encourage creativity and provide hours of entertainment. What we like? If you're looking for a complete kit for kids, this is a great option. The fluorescent beads add a unique touch, and it's perfect as a gift for birthdays or holidays. It comes with everything needed to start creating. What people say? The beads melted quick and evenly with my iron on a low temperature. Most, but not all, of the beads glow under black light and in the dark. The packaging is very good, although I would have preferred the case have a few small compartments molded into it. Although it's small, it is easily reusable, sturdy, and has excellent clasps and hinges. Number 3. FUNZBO 5500 Fuse Beads Kit. Everything you need to start creating is included in this kit, except for an iron. It has 5,500 fuse beads in 24 colors, plus pegboards, tweezers, and patterns. This kit unleashes endless creative possibilities. Build anything you can imagine, from everyday objects to your own unique designs. The possibilities are endless. It's perfect for kids and adults. Create fun projects or even practical items. It's a great way for the whole family to enjoy crafting together. This makes a wonderful gift, whether you give the kit itself or create personalized crafts with it. It comes in a ready-to-gift box, making it perfect for birthdays or holidays. We're committed to your satisfaction. It's made with high-quality materials and rigorously tested for safety. If you have any issues, our customer service team is here to help. With this complete kit, you have everything you need to unleash your creativity. Get started on your next crafting adventure today. What we like? If you want a huge variety of colors and beads, this kit is for you. With tons of beads and colors, you have endless creative possibilities. It's great for both kids and adults who love crafting. What people say? With 72 colors and 66 patterns, he's been able to create all sorts of fun and unique designs. The beads are high quality and easy to work with, and the patterns are clear and fun to follow. It's been a great way to spark his creativity and keep him entertained for hours. They function the purpose, and the activity level and storage capacity is great. There's a variety of colors to choose from and the size is perfect. Having bought various versions from my 8 years old over the years, this is a great kit. Good quality and so many different color beads in large quantities. It also comes with additional bags of black and green. Number 2. Goody King Board Fuse Beads. Unleash your imagination with 23,000 beads in 22 vibrant colors. 4 pegboards and a pattern booklet provide endless possibilities for pixel art and crafts. It's perfect for ages 12 and up. It's made with high-quality, child-safe materials. The included ironing paper and iron make melting the beads safe and easy, so you can create without worry. Surprise someone special. This set is ideal for birthdays or holidays. It even includes cell phone straps and magnets to show off creations. With a storage container and box, cleanup is a breeze. Keep all the beads organized and ready for your next project. No more lost beads. It's perfect for various crafts. Use it with fuse beads, pony beads, and more. This versatile kit provides hours of fun for rainy days or family time. What we like. If you are looking for a large, well-organized kit with everything included, this is the one for you. It comes with a huge number of beads, multiple pegboards, and even a storage container. It's perfect for large projects. What people say. This fuse bead kit is perfect for little ones. The little iron is so adorable and makes it easy for the kids to use with supervision. Includes so much. More than other fuse bead sellers. Love the mini iron it comes with. The included mini iron is a really good item for kids' use. Number 1. Fuse Beads Ironing Kit. This kit makes creating amazing art with fuse beads easier than ever. It includes everything you need to get started and create beautiful, lasting designs. It's transparent, so you can see exactly how your beads are melting. Unlike ordinary paper, it's reusable and made to withstand high temperatures. These sturdy pegboards are designed for repeated use. They provide a stable base for your creative projects. Watch your beads melt perfectly with the transparent paper. This helps you achieve professional-looking results every time. This complete kit comes with 30 fuse beads and all the necessary accessories. You'll have everything you need to start creating right away. It's simple and fun for all ages and skill levels. Unleash your creativity and make unique designs with ease. What we like. If you frequently use ironing paper and want a high-quality option, this is a great choice. The high-temperature resistance ensures durability, and the clear design allows for precise ironing. What people say. These work fine, exactly as expected. I ordered 2 packages of these and they were mailed separately and arrived on different days. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.